Alright, we've already got this piece. Let's make this one over here in order to make it. I'll duplicate this one, hit duplicate. Let's take this down, center it, disable symmetry, center it with this one, and I will scale it. I'll rotate it. And the same thing, adjust it. We've got it above and below. This part over here, stand right here and select using a mask. And see those ends? It's got on each side. Approximately, they reach this portion. So let's make them as follows. It would be something like this approximately. Extract, accept, let's smooth it. Zero measure. Using edge polish. Let's try to make this side flat, and then this side. Let's do it by adjusting both sides at the same time. Leave a sharper edge in the middle. Let's make a long and wide stroke. And adjust it this way. I'll use pinch. We've already got these ends, and after getting them like this, I'll apply mirror in Z. But I have to duplicate them first. Duplicate, mirror. We would still have to make this portion over here, and this end up there. This end up here. I'll draw it over this portion. So I'll stand over here, for instance. And hit extract. Accept. Remove the mask, lift it a bit. Head to zero measure. Very gently over here. Head to clay polish. Clay polish. Alright, these details, well, over here there is one I can make. The rest would be made through textures. But there is one shaped this way. Let's enable lazy mouse. One subdivision. These details will be made through painting, since we'd have to generate the shape and the painting at the same time. Stand over here, remove the mask. Let's check the shape properly. It reaches this portion, more or less up to this portion. And over here it goes like this. Generating a gap for the crystal. I can tell it is still too wide, So I'll go back, removing some here. Alright, let's say I'll make it from there, hit extract, accept, and let's smooth it. Remove the mask, head to zero measure, adjust the shape. We're trying to make it as cylindrical as possible at the moment. Also round. Remove the edge and adjust the shape. Head to inflate and apply 1, like that should do. Smooth it again. I'll select standard. I think I've got accurate curve mode enabled. Clay polish. Remember that when we apply clay polish, it leaves a mask. So I've removed it. So pinch. Let's disable lazy mouse. Stand over here and remove the mask. I'd say it would be approximately like so. Extract, accept. With this smoothing, we'll try to apply the right shape and size. I'd say it would be something smaller. Let's apply zero measure first. Set it on 1. .1, zero measure, Z modeler, set on a view, and what I'll do is to add a polyloop, polygroup, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, split, group split. Okay. This portion over here, I have to adjust it a bit. Like that should do. I'll apply a Z modeler, island, and I think like that should do. Likewise, for this one. Let's leave it like that. For the time being, I'll select this one. And let's bring them to the front and disable solo. I'll press Ctrl D. And for this one, also Ctrl D. Alright, let's inflate and head to zero measure. Ctrl D. That's much better. I think it's a bit more... Well, let's head to edge polish. Alright, this is the forearm. Stand over here. I'm standard. Using pinch, alright. Let's remove the subdivisions. Masks. Remove this subdivision. I'll leave one after this portion here. I'll hide here this forearm. And I'll hit merge visible. And it's created one over here isolated, independent. For that one, I'll head to, where are we? Over here, and let's add it. Hit append, select it, gizmo, remove any masks it's got, and let's place it. I think I've made this a bit tighter here. Keep in mind we still miss a piece. Let's take a break and I'll see you in the next class.